In front of me is REALME C3i, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this phone. So firstly, you need to enter the messages or any other area wherever you've got the keyboard panel, the keypad panel, and here you've got the keyboard. And now, as you can see, we are set up with English. If you want to change it, you need to mark settings, then go to languages and click on add keyboard. Then select any language that you would like to apply, and now we can pick, for example, Russian. Then tap on done, remove English if you want to have one language only, and as you can see, from now on the keyboard dictionary is changed. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.